Hello there.
Hi,
You-
how are you?
I am very good today. Very good today. Are you good? Are you good
Yeah,
today?
I'm great too. Thank you. Thanks
Good.
for asking.
Very good. So, my name is Colin from England. Is your name Anshul?
Yes, my name is Anshul and I'm from India.
Oh, right. Okay. Whereabouts in India are you?
I'm from Haryana.
Right. And I've only been to Mumbai Airport. That's it. I've not been to anywhere in India. But I would like to go to Kerala
Oh,
last year.
that's
Y-
the beautiful state of India.
Yeah, so yeah, I heard it was very nice down there. And I know somebody as well, so that would be even better, I think. So, what do you do in your place where you live? Do you have a
Uh,
job where you need English or
Actually, I'm working as a YouTuber right
a
now. Yeah,
YouTuber?
and I teach English over there.
Ah,
I'm a English
right.
teacher too.
Yeah. So you teach English in India?
Yes, I teach
Right,
English in India.
that's good. So your English sounds very good. So very good.
It
Good
may,
pronunciation.
it may, but I want to improve it a lot
Mm,
to a higher
mm.
level.
Yeah. So you need to keep up the standard that you've got. The same level and higher as
Yeah,
well.
I want
Get
to
even
improve it.
better and better. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Who do you teach then? What people? Is it young people or every age?
Generally,
Adults?
I teach on every age. I get
Mm,
the students who are in the schooling.
mm,
They come to me at my home. I teach at my
mm.
home. They come to me,
Good.
and a few students I have that joins me uh, on the internet through Zoom classes.
I see. Yeah, I was going to say, do you do online classes as well? So,
Yes, I think.
yeah. Do you use Skype at all? Skype?
Yes, I do. I do use
Mm,
Skype, but
yeah, that's.
most of the times, I get classes over the Zoom. Zoom.
Yeah, yeah. So, do you do anything to help you with your English? Do you have other, ways that you can uh, have to, like watching
I'm fond of
Netflix?
watching TV series.
Yeah.
TV serials of American TV shows. Like these
Uh,
days, I've been watching Supernatural and Vampire Diaries.
Oh, right. Yeah, I know that one. Vampire Diaries. Do you watch anything from, the UK, British TV or?
I'm not very well versed about the British drama.
Mm, mm. I mean, there are some good TV series like Sherlock Holmes, Downton Abbey. They are
Okay.
quite good as well. But I suppose the American ones, you can, um, there's some good TV series in America. The Twilight Zone, the Vampire Diaries, and one or two others. So you've got a good choice.
And
So
there are many. I've been watching this The Big Bang Theory, this Supernatural,
mm,
and this The Vampire Diaries. Along
yeah,
with that, few more I have been watching.
yeah. Do you have your own language translation at the bottom, subtitles?
Yeah, we
Mm,
can have the option of that too,
mm,
but
oh,
that is not necessary for me to understand
mm,
the text of the language.
right. Yeah.
Sometimes, well, if you can say in one time out of 100, I need to get the subtitles in my own language.
Yeah. Yeah.
Otherwise,
I mean,
it's not so
yeah.
difficult.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, American TV series. Um, Especially the movies, American movies, you need English subtitles sometimes,
That I
to,
go for. That I
yeah,
definitely go for.
yeah, that's good. Have you been to any other countries, outside of India? Then have
No,
you
not
traveled?
yet. Not
No,
yet. No.
no, that's a pity. You could
I,
try your English abroad.
Yeah, it's my dream to settle down
Mm,
in Canada, but
mm,
right now I'm not getting the right opportunity to take my dream to a actual to the reality,
mm.
convert my
Yeah.
to the reality. But sooner or later, as soon as I get the chance, I will
Mm,
try to visit
mm,
Canada for the first.
mm. Yeah. It's very difficult to travel at the moment. Um,
Yeah,
I have tried it, and it's a nightmare. I tell you, it's like very stressful.
yeah,
They can just refuse you at the airport to get on the plane because of something that you've forgotten. Because there's so much paperwork you need with all your tests, and
correct, correct.
there's always the chance that you might test positive, for
Yes,
coronavirus. So,
yes,
it's all short notice, within 72 hours, and such a big risk, and you're spending a lot of money, to get where you want to go. But what about where you live in India? Then, is it the central part of India, in the center,
you,
or
you can say that, as you know,
mm,
the Delhi is the capital of India,
yeah, Delhi?
and my city is just 80 kilometers far from Delhi.
Right. Yeah. So you're teaching then, is your job. You don't do anything else.
No, I don't have any job. I teach on
Yeah.
my own.
Yeah. That's like you're a freelance or
Yeah,
maybe self-employed
yes.
teacher as well. So that's good. So, what about hobbies then? What sort of things do you like to do in your free time
My
when you're?
hobbies.
Yeah.
Uh, Really, in fact, I don't get much free time from this YouTube. As you know, the
Mm,
watching TV and making videos, and along
mm,
with that, taking tuitions, I
mm,
get a lot of time involved in these options only, in these
mm,
categories only. But
yeah.
when I get the time to get free,
Mm,
I go outside for walking in the
mm,
evening in the park, and I
mm.
like to play basketball.
Do you? Oh, right. So, any other sport? Because I always think that India is cricket is the number one sport. So
Yes, that's true, but
yeah,
that's not the my case.
yeah.
I
Actually,
definitely not like to play cricket at all.
no, no. Do you like to watch it on TV?
Rarely.
No, no. Yeah.
No.
Actually, your team was in the World Test match final, I think, in England against New Zealand.
Yeah, maybe,
Uh,
yes, but I don't. I'm not interested at all. Uh,
mm,
in my family, in my friend circle, whoever is there, everybody is interested in watching matches, cricket matches
mm,
especially. But I am
mm,
the one exception in my family who
mm,
does not watch the
mm,
cricket at
mm.
all.
Yeah. How did you get into basketball then? Because I didn't think basketball was so popular in India.
You can say it's popular, but I'm not
Mm,
saying that I'm a good player at. Yeah,
mm,
I like to play because it gives a certain exercise. It is helpful for us. It's a
yeah,
part of running, you can say.
yeah. I think
Yeah,
that's one of the sports that I would rather play than watch. Yeah, I
yeah,
find it very, very boring to watch it.
yes, yes, yes.
I don't know why people around the world like basketball to watch. I
I
just
don't think
can't get
so.
into it. Yeah,
I don't think so that there are
yeah.
too many matches around the
That's right.
world
Yeah,
for this sport. But this
yeah.
is a game that is popular in schooling system, I
Mm.
think.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So
In America, it's so popular.
so how's it going in your place then? Is the coronavirus under control now, or getting worse
Yeah,
or better?
just if you talk about 2 months back, 2 months ago,
Mm,
it was a worse condition that we have ever faced in this corona
mm.
season. But nowadays, it is under control. The lockdown has been lifted up,
Oh,
and
that's good.
but little there are little bit restrictions yet, having wearing
Mm,
the mask and
yeah.
keeping the social distance. But
Mm,
the most of the restrictions has been lifted up, and the
mm,
markets are being opened again.
That's
and
good.
we can move anywhere around the country. I don't know
Mm,
much about leaving the country. What are the response formalities for that?
mm,
But we can move around the countries easily without any
yeah,
restriction.
yeah. I think leaving the country depends on where you're going to as well. You know,
Yeah,
whether they
yes.
let you in. So,
Our targeted countries.
yeah, yeah. So, what do you know? Why do you think it's got better in India then? Because it was really serious, wasn't it? You know, the pandemic.
Pardon,
What
please.
do you
I
think?
didn't get
You
you.
know, in India, the coronavirus pandemic was very bad 2 months ago, 3 months ago. Um, why why do you think it's better now? Then, what do you think's made it
The
not
case,
so serious?
the cases have been reduced. The
Mm,
number of cases we were having before
mm,
before 2 months, it was
mm.
around 4 lakhs per day. But
Yeah,
nowadays we are getting only 1 lakh or less than 1 lakh. So the
yeah.
number of active cases are very less, and a recovery rate has been recovered. And along with that, if we talk about 2 months ago, there
Mm,
was full of hospitals. There was no bed
mm.
available. No hospitals were vacant. But nowadays, situation is under control. Oxygen. There are a lot of
Oh,
companies who are establishing this oxygen plant. So we are not lacking in
ventilators.
oxygen. Yeah,
Yeah, the ventilators. So that's the thing that's really improved the
yeah,
situation. The
yeah.
ventilators. Yeah. So what about the vaccine then? Is that helping people
Yes,
getting
that
vaccinated? And
that is helping.
mm,
I have heard that there is third variation, Delta variation of coronavirus has been found in one of the states of India, and
mm,
it has been said by the media that that variation is killing the effect of vaccination. Vaccination is not capable of stopping that
mm,
variant,
yeah,
and that
not
is a
not
dangerous one.
yeah. You mean that variant, the vaccination is not effective against it.
Yes.
Yeah, not effective. Yeah, that Delta is also in the UK as well, and it's more contagious.
Okay.
Yeah, but they say that the vaccines that we've got here are effective against it. If you
Okay.
have two, if you have two doses, you know, I think
Yeah.
I think they're talking about using three doses actually now. So you'll be having four or
That may be
five.
the case. That may be the case in the future
Yeah,
too.
yeah, that's amazing. I think what do people say then in India? Do they think now that we have to live with it and
Yes,
just
everybody.
use our common sense? And
People are not in the condition of fear.
yeah,
People are not in the condition of fear because of the coronavirus. What
mm,
I feel is the people of India are very. They think that this situation is just like the normal illness.
yeah. So
They are
I
not
think
afraid of.
I think that's the way you've got to be because you can't carry on forever with
Yeah,
lockdowns and restrictions and you
that's
can't
not
do this, you
possible.
can't do that. So you got to live your life. So but
Correct.
just be sensible and wash your hands and keep clean and maybe keep your distance when you can.
Yes,
But
yes, yes.
any yeah, anyway, your English is very clear. You got good vocabulary, so maybe do you read much? Reading is a good way to find new words. Um,
I was thinking the same, but
mm,
as I told you, I get a lot of
you
busy
don't get
time.
as much
My
time.
schedule is a lot of busy, so I
Mm.
don't get much time. But from yesterday, I have started reading again.
Yeah, if you can find a good subject to read about, a storybook or a subject, so that you're very interested in it, so you find out what words mean, is a good way to learn
Explore.
new words. Yeah,
It
because
may be good way to
yeah,
explore ourselves.
That's right. Yeah, it expands your vocabulary more. Same for me, you know, reading. I find new words. I have to find out what they mean. So,
Sir,
but it's not.
I would
It's
say I think we have 7 seconds left.
yeah, yeah.